Understanding snow is piling up, a simple guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, snow is piling up. This phrase is not only picturesque but also a great example of how English uses vivid imagery to describe everyday events. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. The phrase, snow is piling up, is often used in English-speaking countries that experience snowfall. It literally means that snowflakes are falling from the sky and accumulating on the ground, creating a thicker layer of snow. This phrase can be used both literally, to describe the weather, and metaphorically, to imply that problems or tasks are becoming more numerous or overwhelming. Snow, frozen water vapor that falls in white flakes, is piling. Present continuous tense of to pile, which means to accumulate or gather in a heap. Up. This word here indicates that the accumulation is increasing over time. When we put it all together, snow is piling up vividly describes an ongoing action where snow keeps gathering. 1. Literal usage, I can't go out now. The snow is piling up outside. 2. Metaphorical usage, with all these assignments coming in, I feel like the snow is piling up. Notice how the phrase can adapt to different contexts while retaining its core imagery of accumulation. English often uses visual imagery to make the language more expressive and relatable. Like, snow is piling up. Many phrases draw on natural or everyday scenes to convey feelings, actions, or situations. This makes English a colorful and dynamic language. And that's it for our exploration of snow is piling up. I hope this video has shed light on how English uses vivid imagery to add depth to its phrases. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find these expressions becoming a natural part of your English vocabulary. Until our next lesson, stay curious and happy learning.